Welcome to the mix, and on the mix today we have Queenie, and Queenie's here to address some situations and problems that she has with some of her followers as she and her husband continues to go through the same struggle that they've been having for a while. Now, Queenie will be, talking mostly to the females, so go ahead and watch the video and remember to like, share, and subscribe.
You know why I come back live? I come back live for someone who got to low life with blood clot skirmish girl. We sit down, I want to know where I'm going in a people's life. I want to see people scream out. Rebel and stand up for where I'm going and put them hand up for where I'm going and I want to bash them. Listen to me very carefully, yeah? You say all I uno dead where I bash me and I said this and I said that. The other half has never been blood clot tool. I said to everybody take me for aga one shit house and one dog shit. Me then I want corner they say John and no blood clot body na sister me a John cause I'm loud. I'm a vulgar, I'm a awful. Ask my friend them. Charmaine was a living witness before do we come to England. When do a blood clot, make me drink the liquor, the backlot liquor, just drink the blood clot there and turn over for 2 hours and all Charmaine and nurse me and the woman call me and pray for me. I want to blood clot, you know, nothing me I sit down forever, make the man style blood clot me. And me I cover up, I try work, I see now blood clot work, I shame. And sit down and son, and I laugh after blood clots me. Cause me I laugh with myself. And from me see him right me for move my blood clot, me I diss up your blood clot. You want to lap your blood clot fractal and class me, do it? Do it. You never stand by me on the internet, you run from me. Yesterday when me see her running, I say again. And the same thing you do at the airport because I'm loud up on you, you run and left the blood clot suitcase. And then when me you go to Jamaica, you come back blood clot, me I go tell me say your brother and your mother say. Them no want me at them yard. Do it, you're my husband. You supposed to find someone for put me. But unfortunately, the table turned. That's me. I have to find my own resident. You're a married man. And when you're married, you're supposed to find someone for your wife. But instead of that, I can come tell me about my mother and my brother say. Why you think my blood clot sit down and I rebel and attack out every blood clot thing? Because I sit down and clog up everything and I take the liberty one I take with me. Do it. Me have my money at Jamaica, can't go to hotel for 2 weeks. Me have my mother house so she can't put me out there. Me have my next house a blood clot one time when me can't go over go stay do it. And me can't go to St. Thomas go stay. My father up a seafood up a Greenwall. And then me have my mother, father, people them house. My mother house at St. Thomas. Do it and your mother. Do it and mother and do it blood clot, brother. One style blood clot me the last 2 weeks. And one of thing in I game I in the pack. So me on a dirty blood clot skirmish, I come blood clot labor, man, I come tell me what on think about where I reach in my life. Let me tell you the one blood clot no. When I get a cup of water and sit down and want popcorn and listen blood clot mix up kind of like people blood clot dirty disgrace. So let me tell you from the dirty blood clot husband come compete with me, I gotta tell me say, don't blood clot on popcorn. When popcorn say few little IG followers and them think them a celebrity, my head chip. I say my head chip when me see you right back. A blood clot compete with me when you can't stand up by me as a husband. You run left blood clot me and follow critics and what everybody attacks it. You know remember no goodness, not at all what me do, you know remember? I just the internet out of the airport, but me beat you, which for me blood clot beat you. You not stand up at airport like blood clot. The man who you are. Me not stand up at hey! My free single and blood clot disengage. When me have no my when me have my husband, me steer on me and blood clot. Him mama come tell me about people say everywhere me them him have to dead with me. And then you have the heart to tell me back what everybody say. How the fuck you expect me to feel? I want to and then I go come tell me for move my blood clot. You move your dirty blood clot your mother, your baby father, your baby mother, your brother. What the one on a blood clot chat me what do you like me kill it? Do we go suck in blood clot self? I no ask me for do it. Nobody no ask me for blood clot. Do we no call doing name to me? My dad for stop call doing name. Yeah, you want blood clot mix up with the one you deceive. I said to you, say, do we deal with me with respect? Because if you don't deal with me with respect, I'm going to wreck the blood clot marriage and label it as the worst blood clot marriage ever. This is the worst blood clot marriage ever because of people you make mash up me and you. You see all I want to girl? You see I not get do it? And sister doing I go downstairs see a cup of blood clot water. When you guys see the pangs of blood clot, tell me go try and do that suck salt through with a spoon through mad because I'm frightened over this. I'm matter of blood clot for me. I can't just go dash of this pussy clot tomorrow. Me no want blood clot that. But telling her back to the reason now. Really calm down. And humble yourself. Wait a minute, I'm going to get a split. I want a split. Blood clot, God help you if you come a friend, come stand by me and run up and down like chicken. Like me have gun and run you down and like me abuse you. Tell them I the abuse this blood clot one. But you me loud. Queenie, calm yourself. Tell them. Oh yeah, come tell me about me for move my blood clot. Yeah, your baby mother, your brother, your mama, the whole I wanna move on a dirty blood clot. I wanna over your working shit house, you know. I wanna mash up my blood clot life. I wanna get into the boy head because I don't know if I'm easily influenced. All your dirty blood clot, brother, tell your brother, me no want come on a blood clot house. You hear that? I wanna live blood clot bad na blood clot. Me I fuck up everything. Me not give a fuck on me alone now get fuck. Me a nasty up on a nasty blood clot and I come go like on a good. I come class blood clot good me will help on the son. Says your blood clot son this me. No blood clot. You should have tell your son. Say I'm a married man and I'm responsible for him wife for put me on the